Hello, little artist. Today we're going to draw a beautiful landscape. First, draw the trees one by one.
Giving shade the whole
Very
day
nice.
long. Green and lovely, fresh and
Draw
bright,
3 simple pine trees with zigzag branches.
in sunlight. Standing strong, standing
Then draw the brown tree trunks.
Trees are tall and standing strong. Shade for you, shade for me.
Next, draw the landscape. Make 2 curved lines for the grassy land. Now draw some bushes. Then draw a winding river starting from the mountains and coming to the front of the page. Add a few more small bushes near the river. Now draw the mountains. Draw 1 big mountain and then 2 more mountains behind it.
Holding steady.
Next, draw the sun between the mountains.
Standing
Add snowy lines on the mountaintops.
Trees are tall and standing
Finally, draw a few tiny flowers and a small plant to make the picture look pretty.
green and lovely by the sea.
Now it's time to start
The
coloring.
sun is hot and high. Take your cool beneath
Color the mountains
sky.
with different shades of
Reach
blue
up
and
slow,
green.
Then sway along. Every tree belongs in
And add a little
song.
yellow for a bright look. Color the snowy mountaintops with white and light blue.
Good job, little artist.
Standing strong, standing strong. Trees are tall.
Color the sun with yellow, orange, and red.
Shade for you, shade for
Color the
me.
trees using yellow, light green, and dark green.
By the sea. Trees are tall and standing strong, giving shade the whole day long. Green and lovely, fresh and bright, swaying softly in sunlight. Standing strong, standing strong. Trees are tall and standing strong. Shade for you, shade for me. Green and lovely by the sea. Leaves go dancing in the breeze, rubbing softly through the trees. Roots down deep beneath the ground, holding steady, safe and sound. Standing strong, standing strong. Trees are tall and standing strong. Shade for you,
Color the tree trunks brown.
green and lovely by the sea.
Color the bushes with yellow and different shades of green.
And high, take your cool beneath the sky.
Great job, little artist.
Reach up slow, then sway along. Every tree belongs in
Color the
song.
river with different shades of blue. For the land, use yellow,
Standing
light
strong,
green, and dark green.
standing strong. Trees are
If you
tall
enjoyed
and
this
standing
drawing,
strong.
don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more fun drawing videos.
Green and lovely.
Blend the colors smoothly using your finger to create a soft effect. Color the sky with a light yellow shade.
Trees are
You did an amazing job.
standing strong, giving shade.
Finally, color the flowers red and orange, and your beautiful landscape drawing is complete. See you next time.
Softly in sunlight.